It's important to maintain your dehumidifier on a consistent basis for maximum use. Here are the steps on cleaning your product. First, unplug the product before you start cleaning your appliance. Wipe the exterior with a soft, damp cloth. Do not spray water directly onto the product. Use a vacuum cleaner or soft brush to remove dust from the air inlet cover. It is recommended to clean your water bucket once a week during use. Lift off the cover and empty the water bucket. Use a soft cloth to remove any remaining moisture. It is recommended to clean the air filter once a month or when the filter life light turns on. Release the two hooks at the right of the air inlet cover, swing it open and remove it. Pull the center tab of the air filter to remove it from the air inlet cover. Clean the air filter with a vacuum cleaner or soft brush. If the filter is still dirty, wash it in water and mild detergent. Then completely dry the filter. Once your air filter is cleaned and dried, replace it into the air inlet cover. Make sure the filter is seated under the tabs. Align the hinges of the air inlet cover to the openings of the product. Then swing the cover to the right and reattach the two hooks. Plug in the product and turn it on. Press and hold the filter reset button for 3 seconds to reset the operating time back to 0 hours.